How's everybody doing? I'm going to give you a quick run through on how to get our platform running from the easy download. Go ahead and open the file as you just downloaded it from our website. Go ahead and press next on this. Just welcome you to the installer. It's going to go ahead and download here and give it some time to finish up. Go ahead and open this MySQL Server Configurator. Pretty much going to be pressing next on most of these. There is one step that we really need to pay attention to, and that is this one here. We want to go ahead and create a password, and this is going to be the same password we're going to use to get into our Aparavi account. So just go ahead and press next once you get a password that you will remember. And we're going to continue to press next on these next things here, and once we're there, we're going to go ahead and get it running. And once that's complete, it's going to start a download process that takes a couple minutes. I went ahead and cut it out of this video, but just to let you know, it does take about 2 to 5 minutes. It's just a heads up for you. And as we press finish here, that download process will start. Also, remember that password that you created before and go ahead and enter that here. And press next. And that will start the download process. Like I said, it takes a couple minutes here. I went ahead and cut that out for time purposes. Then we'll get greeted with a pop-up window. Go ahead and press OK on that. That will then take you to our sign-in page on the Aparavi platform. That's where you're able to sign in with your email and password. Also, we like to rename our platform. That way things don't get confusing. And if you don't have an account, you want to go ahead and register your account. Go ahead with that email, that same password from before as well. And once that's finished, make sure you read thoroughly this master SaaS agreement, top to bottom. Make sure you read the whole thing, just like I did there, as well as end user license agreement, top to bottom, just like how I did. And then welcome to the platform.